Hi everyone. So today we'll learn how to download and install Postgres on your Windows operating system. As you can see, currently I'm on google.com. Now let's search here Postgres. It will be very first website, postgresql.org. Simply click on it. Now click on download button here. Now depending upon your operating system, you need to pick the installer. I'm on Windows, so I'll click on Windows here. Then you need to click on download the installer on this page. Simply click on agree and proceed. Now you can see the latest version is 18.4 and I'm on Windows 64-bit. So I need to click here. You might get this sort of dialog. Simply save this file. Now as you can see, the download is done. Simply click on it. Now here, click on next. You can change the installation directory here, but I'll keep it as it is. Click on next. Leave all of them checked. Click on next. Click on next again. Now here, you need to provide a password for the database. So let's put a very simple password like 12345. Click next. Leave the port as it is. You can keep it default. Click next. Again. Finally, the installation is done. And as you can see, I got a checkbox here. And it is asking me to install Stack Builder so that I can install additional tool and drivers. You can simply skip this. To skip it, you need to uncheck it and click on finish. Now once that is done, you need to go to taskbar, click on search icon and type here PgAdmin. Click on it. Now you will get this sort of an interface. On the left hand side, you need to click on servers. And here you can see it is asking me for the password. The password is 12345 that I entered earlier during the installation process. Click on OK. Now after entering the password, you will get this sort of a UI. Now to create a database, you can simply go to this databases. By default, you will get Postgres here. To create a new one, simply right click, click on create, then database. Type here the name. Let's put test. Click on save. And that's your database. So I hope you understood how to download and install Postgres on your Windows operating system. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.